This is the Genesis G70. If equipped, the Genesis G70 offers a convenient wireless charging system, allowing simple charging of Qi-enabled mobile devices. All doors must be closed and the vehicle on for the wireless charger to be functional. Place your Qi-enabled mobile device directly on the wireless charging pad, found directly underneath the climate control area. The indicator light will illuminate orange when your device is charging. The indicator light will illuminate green when charging is complete on select smartphones or mobile devices. The indicator light will blink orange for 10 seconds in the event of a malfunction. If this occurs, remove your device and place it again to restart the charging process. It can be helpful to remove phone cases and ensure that your smartphone is positioned as close to the middle of the charging pad as possible. This ensures maximum charging capability as well as reduced heat conduction. On select smart devices, the cluster display will show a warning message if the device is still left on the wireless charger after the vehicle is turned off and the front door is opened. The wireless charging system is turned on by default from the factory, but can be turned off or on by selecting Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and then Wireless Charging System. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.